you guys gotta definitely check out this truck show. What is up, everybody, and welcome to the channel. Well, this truck show lands us up here in the Towanda area for the Milf Kustomz season opener. And this is not like any other car show or truck show that I was taking you guys along. So this is something a little bit different. Talking with the organizers on this, Bob, and they said that they put this show on twice a year. They have a season opener and then closer. But they say they have a burnout pit and things like that, and they have a little truck meet. So you see all kinds of stuff here, and lowered, lifted, and wides and stuff like that. But we have the 5th Gen Ram Cummins out here with us to the show. And if you're new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you guys stay posted when we drop videos like this, because we are going to start doing a little bit more truck meets and throw some of them inside our 2025 show season. So we're going to walk around here and see what's going on here, and hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the end.
I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done. Girls with their girls with their nails done now. Girls with the nails done. I like the girls with the nails done. Girls with the nails done. I like the girls with the nails done.
Oh, I was lighting them up.
Bob, go over now.
I think the girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done. I like the girls with their nails done. Girls with their
Can't see shit.
girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I like the girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done. I like the girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done now.
Guys, there you have it. The 2025 Milf Kustomz season opener up here in Towanda. We did have a couple rain showers come through here, and we just can't seem to catch a break here in Northeast Pennsylvania. Well, you guys can follow me on, of course, here on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. So run over to those sites, check us out, and definitely check this show out because they did say that they were going to do a season closer up here again in the fall. Well, guys, I hope you liked the video. Until next time, I'm Joe, driving trucks and hunting bucks. That's how I roll it. Wicked Fabz!